Hello, my dear kids. Hope you all are fine at home. Myself, Mrs. Sandhya from California Public School, Khukrana. Dear children, take out your yellow book, Me and Myself, and open page number 23. Now, first of all, read the heading. Smell me. Read the full heading. Look at the following pictures. Draw happy face if it smells nice and sad face if it doesn't. In this page, you can see the pictures of different objects. Some objects are giving good smell and some objects are giving bad smell. So, we will differentiate the pictures of good smell and bad smell. Those objects are giving good smell, we will draw happy face, and those objects are giving bad smell, we will draw sad face. Now, let's start with the first object. What is this? This is a soap. Now tell me, soap has good smell or bad smell? Soap has a good smell. So, we will draw here happy face. So, first of all make eyes and then happy face. Okay, now see next picture. What is this? This is a shoe. Shoe has a good smell or a bad smell? Shoe has a bad smell. So, we will draw here sad face. First of all make eyes, then make a sad face. What is this? This is a smoke that comes out from the car. Now tell me, smoke has a good smell or a bad smell? Smoke has a bad smell. So, we will draw here sad face. First of all make eyes, then sad face. Now next picture is, this is a dustbin. Now tell me, dustbin has a good smell or a bad smell? Dustbin has a bad smell. So, we will draw here sad face. Draw eyes, then sad face. Now next picture is, what is this? This is a toothpaste. Now tell me, toothpaste has a good smell or a bad smell? Toothpaste has a good smell. So now tell me, which face we have to draw here? Happy face or a sad face? We will draw here happy face because toothpaste has a good smell. Happy face. Okay. Now, see the next picture. What is this? This is a yummy ice cream. Now tell me, ice cream has a good smell or a bad smell? Everybody knows ice cream has a good smell. So, we will draw here happy face. Happy face. Very good. Now come next picture. What is this? This is a rose, a flower. So, rose has a good smell or a bad smell? Rose has a very good smell. That's why we will draw here happy face. Make eyes, then happy face. Okay. Now next picture is, these are chimneys. Smoke is coming out from the chimneys. Now tell me, smoke has a good smell or a bad smell? Smoke has a bad smell. That's why we will draw here sad face. Make eyes, then sad face. Now next picture is, this is a perfume, and perfume has a very good smell. So we will draw here happy face. Make eyes, then happy face. Hope so you understood about the smell. Which object has a good smell and bad smell? Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.